Good morning from Czech Republic. It's Sunday. It's beautiful day. Hindi nag-snow. Medyo mahangin lang. Mahangin nga. Pero maliwalas ang panahon. Tingnan natin sa Opava kung ano nang sitwasyon doon. Ayan, maliwalas pa rin doon. Kaganda ng panahon. Tingnan natin yung castle. Maganda. Ang church. Yan. Kasi ang alam ko magsisimba si Mamingka ngayong araw. Kasi linggo. So, ihatid siya ni Hana sa church. Ang aming dalaginting. Tulog pa. Happy cleaning day!
Yeah.
Kahapon ako ang naglinis.
Take a good video of this, yeah? This is the instructage for you.
She's showing me how to clean this shower room.
Yeah.
Oh no, another job order for Japit boy.
Yeah.
And our little lady.
I was doing that after
Where?
the shower.
Shower?
Yeah, so Sophia, okay,
Yeah.
have a peek. I'll show you how to do it.
No,
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Okay, I'll show you. Come.
I'm fine.
Okay, mommy will show you. Come on, because
Okay.
Because we all need to learn, right?
yeah, we all need to learn how to clean the house.
I'm sure.
Okay, so we have this one.
Yeah.
You apply like this.
Okay, where? How?
Like this. Apply.
I cannot.
Okay, and then
And then
for
what?
Sophia, and then you're going to
Scrub the dirty.
between between here, yeah.
I know. I saw you do it already.
Okay.
What they're doing now? Just floor?
So I clean the sink. It still looks
Yeah.
dirty because it's the water. I need to just rinse it off.
Yeah.
And now I'm cleaning the floor.
And how about this sink?
I clean this, and this is just the dirty
No.
water. They clean this, but I need to just rinse it because this is the dirty water.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to rinse it after.
Okay, that's very good. So after this, what we gonna do? Nalang?
Eat.
We're gonna eat? I'm still cooking.
Yeah, and I
Yeah.
haven't cooked yet.
So ako naman ay nagluluto. Pinakupsan. Pork belly. Yan. Pinakupsan lang yan. Simple lang yan. Tapos nagluto ako ng patatas para kay Hana at Sophia. Ito yung pagkain ni Mamingka. Yan. Pork. Kinidlik. Tapos ito ata parang soup. How's everything here? It's already clean?
Not like
Talang, how are you there? Doing good?
busy.
Good job. Kagasipag ni Pinkay Tumutulong Good job, Pinkay. You're kind, you're helping mommy. Very good. Yeah. You're learning.
Yeah.
Yan. Be careful, mainit. Yun. Yan ang ginagawa ko palagi. So, alam nyo ba na mas healthy daw ang mantika ng baboy pag itong gagamitin mo kaysa doon sa mga mantika na mabibili mo sa grocery stores. Yan. Okay? Yan siya, Yun. Palagi akong ganyan. Ito yung mga mantika na ginagamit ko. Kahit na magprito ako ng isda. Magprito ako ng itlog. Ito yung ginagamit ko. So parang lard. Alam niyo ba yung lard is mantika ng baboy. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng maraming bawang. Yun. Tapos paminta. Ayan. May ko na yan. Meron ng asin yan. Yan lang kasimple ang pinakupsan ni Japit Boy. Tapos na daw sila maglinis. Tapos na. Okay. Asan na sila? Done cleaning? Not yet?
Almost.
Almost?
Yeah.
How about you, Pinkay? Done?
I think so.
Yung tapos na itong pinakupsan ko. Sarap to sa kanin. Tapos isaw-saw mo sa suka, tuyo na may kamatis. Tapos may maanghang ka na sili. Naku, sarap nito. May kamatis pa ako rito. Kaya bumili ako ng maanghang na sili. Yun, para sa pinakupsan. Wow! Diyan ka muna. Ito. Pumilo. Paborito ni Hana to. Kasi ang kakainin ni Sofia at ni Hana, patatas daw. May natira akong kanin. Kunti na lang. Pero okay lang yan.
What is it?
Pinakupsan. You tried it many times? This is one thing I like so much when I cook pork belly. And then I dip it in the vinegar with soy sauce, garlic, and sometimes I put pepino, cucumber. Okay? Pulutan sa mga umiinom. What do you think? Delicious, right?
But it's too much oil for me.
That's why I remove oil. I remove oil.
Really?
Yeah.
It's really good.
Good, of course,
I
good.
just don't like the fat. I like to just whip it up. This.
So delicious. But you need to have a good stick for this one.
What is that?
It's gonna be breaded cheese.
Breaded cheese? But why it's so big?
I don't know.
The whole cheese?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. How about this?
This is a smelly cheese.
And you're gonna do also breaded?
Yeah.
Wow.
Too much?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tak
to musisz tak. To tam drži. Okay, so
It's
it needs to stick like this, and I'll put it in a saucepan.
Wow. Do you think that's delicious?
I don't like this one, but I like Gouda. This is smelly cheese.
Of course,
Yeah.
it's delicious.
I don't like smelly cheese. So hot.
Yan yung patatas na kinuha namin doon sa Silar. Paborito ni Hana yung patatas. How about this? How many minutes?
Yeah, until golden.
Okay.
I'm just gonna.
This one.
To už jsou dvakrát?
Yeah.
Ako nagluto pa ako ng egg. Kasi ito yung breakfast ko. I break my fast at 12 noon. Parang almusal ko yan. Kasi minsan isang beses lang kung kumain sa isang araw or 2 beses. Itlog, pinakupsan, potato with breaded chicken, breaded cheese. Wow, that's all you're gonna eat, Pinkay, breaded cheese? Yeah.
Have a potato, one potato.
One potato.
Here. And tartar sauce.
Tartar sauce. You like tartar sauce, Pinkay?
No more mayo?
Yeah. No mayo?
Mayo. Better.
Do you want rice?
Rice with cheese, no.
Wow. You like it, Pinkay, yeah? I can see. I can see that you really
There's
like
no
it.
cheese actually.
What?
Cheese just run out so and make a crispy.
That's breaded. That's bread already. No more cheese there inside?
Some of mine, I mean.
No?
No, it's so delicious.
How about you, Pinkay? Wow.
Try it, it's crispy.
No, not yet. My meal is not yet. Not time yet.
It's crispy cheese.
Ang sa akin ay yung natirang kanin pero na rice ko. Uy, 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 uy. Parang nasunog na. Ayan, fried rice.
I would not like to be.
I think this is enough. Oops. Well, okay, enjoy, ah. Enjoy.
I'm struggling to eat this.
That's all you're gonna eat, Pinkay? That's all you're gonna eat? Just cheese?
Yeah.
It's a fruit.
Whole cheese.
It's a
Breaded cheese.
fruit. It's a many in Czech Republic. Breaded cheese with potatoes.
Really? But why don't you eat potato, Pinkay?
Because the cheese is too big. So have a half, and you can have a half for dinner.
Yeah, half potato and half... How about this, huh? Huh? Look at Pinkay. Look at your mouth full of tartar sauce.
I'm struggling to eat it.
You don't have a breaded cheese in Philippines?
I don't know. I never tried. Yeah. Okay, enjoy. Of course, pagkatapos mag-lunch, mag-dessert.
No, because the bunker gave it to us.
And this is mine.
There's some of the edges that fell off because.
Okay, enjoy, Pinkay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Talagang enjoy namin itong aming dessert. Kasi bayad ito sa kanilang paglinis sa buong bahay today. Okay? Ang akin ay yan, coffee. Hindi talaga mawawala yung kape. Paborito ko yung kape pagkatapos mag-lunch. So lunch, then after lunch, coffee. Okay? So enjoy, Pinkay. Si Hana, si Helen, si Milan, si Mamingka na sa taas nagkukwentuhan, nagre-relax. Kami dito ni Sofia sa baba. Ayos. Kay ganda ng araw. Nalalapit na ang spring. Excited na ang mga tao dito sa Czech Republic. Spring and then summer. Yan. Maganda na ang simoy ng hangin. Ang araw, ramdam mo nang umiinit na. Malapit nang matapos ang winter. Patingnan nyo. Nung nakaraang araw mayroong frost, kaya makikita mo pa rin yung mga natira-tirang snow. Yan. Sobrang lamig, may hangin bigla. Okay, mayroon pang gagawin, kaya tapos lang manangalian, nagpapahinga na ang mga tao sa loob. Si Hana, si Mamingka, si Helen, si Milan, si Sofia. Nagpapahinga. Ako lumabas para magpainit. Yun! Sobrang sarap. Nakakamiss ang Pilipinas. Where are you going? Buy me anything.
We're going to my cousin's school.
Okay, they're gonna visit their cousins.
Yeah, but I'm gonna
In
visit their
Upava.
school.
Huh?
I'm gonna visit their school. My school's also in Upava.
So, why? Is it like open? It's Sunday.
Yeah, it's Sunday.
So, is the school open?
Yeah, there's some guy coming there, so...
Alright, okay.
No, but
Enjoy.
I keep forgetting that he sit next to you.
Pupunta sila sa Upava kasi bibisitahin ni Hana yung kanyang pinsan na nasa Upava. So, it's Sunday kaya free time sila. Sabi ko maiwan lang ako rito kasi may trabaho pa ako.
Yeah. Trabajo.
Yeah, trabaho.
Trabajo. Mucho trabajo, dinero poquito.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Bye. You take care. Bye-bye. Enjoy. Gabi na yan sila babalik dito. Kasi alas 3 na ng hapon. Okay. Bakit hindi ako sumama? Kasi it's girls talk. Walang lalaki doon, puro babae. Mabobore lang ako doon. Okay. Sobrang lamig na. Time to work. Work.